Hi lovely people, you're welcome back to my channel. If today's your first time here, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you not miss any of my video. If you're my returning subscriber, you are highly welcome. Okay guys, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe for more videos, more tips on how you can take care of yourself at the comfort of your home, guys. Okay guys, in today's video, it's all about coconut oil. We are going out there to make coconut oil, not just coconut oil, organic. When you hear anything organic, oh my god, organic coconut oil for massive hair growth, guys. So come with me, let's go start it from the scratch. Okay guys, so let's go do this. And please, if support my channel in any way you can, join my membership, super thanks me, do anything you can to support my channel. And I want you to know that I will never take your love for granted. I love you so much. Okay, stay tuned and let's get right into the video. Yeah. Okay guys, after you get your coconuts, we all know coconuts. After you get it, make sure you peel off the coat, the back. Okay, you throw away the back and you pick pieces it inside a bowl or any buckets of your any bowl of your choice. Then you blended it. Okay, like my own, I don't have blender. Yes, I have to take it to engine. So after that, they blend it for me, so you can see the way I'm doing it on the screen. The way you are seeing it on your screen, that is the way you do it. After you bring it, you you filter it this way, you sieve it like this. Okay, after you do it, you see, after everything, this one that I'm pressing down is the shaft. Okay, so after you get the shaft again, you make sure you put that shaft again inside a bucket. Yes, inside a bucket or a bowl. Okay, after you put it inside, you make sure you add water again, not too much water, but you're going to see it the way I'm doing it. Okay guys, so guys, please don't skip any part of this video so that you get the full gist, you get the full details. Okay, so this is my pure organic coconut. Okay, coconut water. So this is what I'm telling you. So this is the shaft. Okay, after you filter it, you sieve everything, you add a little water, then you mix it again. You mix it like this, the way I'm doing it. You add water to it, then you sieve it back again with that same cloth you see me using. Okay, so this is the shaft. Okay, you do it, you repeat the process. Okay, you can see the way I'm adding water. The water that you are going to add is not going to be much. Okay, so you can see. So you see, I'm turning it inside the my sieving cloth. Okay, so you can see the way I'm turning it inside, then I'll see sieve it again. Yeah, so this is it. And guys, please, if you have watched to this extent and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe for more videos. Okay, and guys, I also have, okay, you can see the way I'm sieving it. Okay, look at the water. Okay, but once you do it this way, don't do it the third time again. All you need to do, you can see the way I'm doing it. Okay, after everything, all you need to do is to throw away the remaining sharp. Okay, that is the sharp. Yeah, so guys, I also have moringa plus neem oil on my channel, quick one. Okay, so you can go there to check it out. It's also for massive hair growth. So guys, so this is it. You turn it this way. Yeah, so after you turn it this way, you leave it to rest like 1 hour. Okay, after that, then you use your spoon. Yeah, your spoon to pack all the oil. Okay, all the, because after 1 hour, the water might have settled and all the oil will come up. Okay, all the oil will come up. Then after that, you use your spoon. This spoon exactly, you can use rubber spoon, anything you can use that you know it can be okay for you. Then you begin to pack the oil. You can see the oil will be at the top. You even see it yourself. You begin to pack it inside your pot. Sorry guys, that is the pot you are going to use in cooking it. Okay, you bring it out, Then you started packing it inside the way you are seeing it on your screen. After you pack everything inside, you put it on fire. And guys, when you put it on fire, look at the way it's doing. Make sure it's on a low heat. When you put it on a high heat, guys, everything is going to pour down. So guys, look at it now. You can see God is wonderful. That is what I mean by this is organic coconut oil. So guys, this, look, I can see the oil. Look at the oil now. You leave everything to dry and look at it. Look at how the oil is coming up. God is wonderful. And after everything, this is our final look. Okay, this is the oil we got from the coconut. Coconut, oh my God, this is organic. This is organic, like for massive hair growth. It helped a lot. Are you having breakage? Use this. You are going to see the result. Look at it. It's so pure. Nothing. I did not add anything to it. So pure. You all know that coconut has oil. This is organic coconut oil. You can see the way it's white, so pure and everything. Okay. So, guys, if you have watched to this extent and you are not subscribed, you are missing. Okay. Bye. Okay, guys, if you find this video very interesting and amazing, please subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you not miss any of my video. Okay, guys, you will learn a lot of tips, a lot of home, that is natural home remedy on how you can take care of yourself at the comfort of your home. So all you need to do is to hit that subscribe button and you will not miss any of my video. I love you and I'll never take your love for granted. Thanks for your support. Thanks for always clicking on my video. Who am I? Okay, guys, thank you so much for your support. Bye bye. Till I come your way next time. Bye.